Okay, this is the continuation video for from the video 1 that we have just finished. So, in video 1, we started discussing or explaining about the meaning of this word product. So, product is the name or what we call the answer that is derived from a multiplication. Okay, like I said, if for example we say 2 times 3 equals 6, then 6 here is our product. Okay, and next we also have this very important word or term, factor. Okay, or factors. So, if 6 is the product of 2 and 3, ang kanisang 2 and 3, they are called factors. Okay, ayaw kalimot ani. Kaya gamito na nila sa mga word problems. The factoring polynomials. So, factor is like it's just like breaking 6 or like what do you call this? How did we come up with 6? So what are the factors? So actually yes, 2 times 3 is one of the factors of 6. Okay, mo na mga factors sa 6. Example, okay? 2 times 3, pwede po 6 times 1. So, ang usan is mga factors sa 6. Pwede po og 2 times 3, 3 times 2, 1 times 6. So, kung pangutan-on ka, unsa may, what are the factors of 6? Or multiplication fact din hiya sa British nga school, ang tawag nila, facts or FACTS. So, di sa ato sa Pilipinas, usually, ang ilang tawag ana is factors. Okay? So, ang factor is just the breakdown or the solution that you went through to come up with this product. Okay? So, maka-come up ka og 6, dili lang by 2, but not only with 2 and 3, naapay lain nga factors ang 6. Naapay 6 times 1, 3 times 2, pwede pod og 1 times 6. So, pangutan-on ka, unsa man ang mga factors sa 6. So, we have 2 and 3, 6 and 1, 3 and 2, 1 and 6. So, ingon ana na siya. Okay? Factor. So, imo ni siyang timan-an in multiplication.